Let's find the equation of a circle given its center and a point it passes through. We have a circle with center at 2, -3, that passes through the point 6, 5. Our goal is to find its equation and radius. Let's identify what we know from the problem. The center of the circle is at coordinates 2, -3. The circle passes through the point 6, 5. We need to find both the equation of the circle and its radius. First, let's recall the standard form of a circle equation. The standard form of a circle equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. In this equation, h and k represent the center coordinates and r is the radius. Substituting our center coordinates, we get x minus 2 squared plus y minus -3 squared equals r squared. Simplifying the double negative, this becomes x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals r squared. Now we need to find the radius using the given point. We'll use the distance formula to find the distance from the center to the point on the circle. The distance formula is r equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Substituting our values, we get r equals the square root of 6 minus 2 squared plus 5 minus -3 squared. Simplifying inside, we have r equals the square root of 4 squared plus 8 squared. Computing the squares gives us r equals the square root of 16 plus 64. Adding these together, r equals the square root of 80. We can simplify this as r equals 4 times the square root of 5. Here's a visual representation showing the center, the point, and the radius we just calculated. Now we can write the complete equation of the circle. Starting with our equation template, x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals r squared. We need to square our radius value. R squared equals 4 root 5 squared. Squaring this gives us r squared equals 16 times 5, which equals 80. Therefore, our final equation is x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 80. Let's verify our solution by checking that the point lies on the circle. We'll substitute the point 6, 5 into our equation to verify. Substituting gives us 6 minus 2 squared plus 5 plus 3 squared equals 80. Simplifying, we get 4 squared plus 8 squared equals 80. Computing, 16 plus 64 equals 80. And 80 equals 80, so our equation is verified and correct. Let's summarize our final answer. The equation of the circle is x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 80. The radius of the circle is 4 times the square root of 5. As a decimal approximation, the radius is about 8.94 units. Here's the complete circle with its center at 2, -3, passing through 6, 5, with radius 4 root 5.